Sherman Plastics for JR and Daniel, Mr. and Mrs. Esteves tonight from Side A. Sana tumina na pong ulan pag ginanta ko po ang pambansang awit ng mga kasalan. Alright, here we go. Mag-sandals kaya tayo lahat para mauna-una.
Okay natin, ma'am.
There were times when I just wanted to look at your face. When the stars in the night. There are times